Okay, well, I'm down here at the pole building and still working on putting the sawmill together, and it's definitely a big project. There's a couple hundred bolts that come with it, and it's pretty heavy gauge steel on these. Some of the parts are pretty heavy, but I like that. This one here is one like this here. It weighs 30 pounds, probably. I don't know for sure, but it's pretty thick gauge steel. Look at these blocks here. It's like 1/4 inch. Everything's heavy duty on this one. This is the biggest one that Frontier makes. Of course, Norwood makes bigger ones, which is the main company that makes them. Is Norwood, but this is the Frontier lineup. And this one will rip a 23-inch wide slab. And track extensions are about 600 bucks a pop, and they're 7 foot long. And so I'll get a couple more of those later on. Right now, I think you can cut like 11 feet with this one. So I'm gonna jump off of here and keep putting it together, and I'll keep you updated. It's been pretty easy so far. We used the tractor to pick it up, and yeah, now I gotta get the track put together and go from there. So stay tuned. The first thing we're gonna cut is step runners out of oak for our steps at the trailer park. We build those ourselves. And then we need lumber to go around the bottom for underpinning, for metal underpinning. So we'll run a bunch of oak through, and then we'll spray it down with some type of treatment, stain or Thompson's or something. We'll use a pump up sprayer, and like a 1 gallon. You can use a 2 gallon, 3 gallon, whatever, right? And then yeah, just get a sprayer and just go all the way down your lumber after you get it cut and stacked up or whatever, and should have no problems after that. Probably last 50 years. That oak, it don't rot out very quick. So all right, well, stay tuned.